Okay, hello, good morning, everybody. So it's morning over here, that's why I'm saying morning. Okay, anyways, so good morning, everyone. And today we'll go further in the chapter of Monkey's Paw, like in the story, sorry. Further, we'll go in the story of Monkey's Paw. So, what we did till yesterday is that we come to know there is a White family where the father is Mr. White, mother is Mrs. White, and the son's name is Herbert White. Father and son are playing the game of chess, and father has lost the game of chess. Okay, and they are expecting a guest to arrive at their house, and they feel that the guest will not come because it's really late at night right now, so they don't know whether the guest is coming or not. We also come to know that White family is a very happy family, right? Like they do masti majak with each other, they tease each other, they are a happy kind of family. They're living a very happy and a satisfied life, right? Like अगर તમે જોવો તો તમને એમ થાય કે યાર આ તો નોર્મલ ફેમિલી છે. Father, son, mother, father playing with the son, and teasing the son, father teasing the son, mother teasing the father. So it's a very very normal kind of family. It's a very very happy kind of family. The guest that was supposed to arrive finally arrives, and the guest is Sergeant Major Morris. Obviously he's a major, that means he has served army, he's been in war, he has seen lot of people. He's drinking whiskey, and while drinking whiskey he gets drunk in the sense he gets high on alcohol. Okay, and after that the father and the mother are all asking him about the experiences, and they start talking about something called as monkey's paw. This monkey's paw, he got it from India. Okay, and there was a fakir in India who wanted to prove that you cannot change your destiny, you cannot change your fate. Destiny એટલે શું કે તમારી હારે જે થવાનું છે, આપણે એમ કહીએ ને કે આપણે જે ધાર્યું છે, જે થવાનું છે એ જ થવાનું છે, right? That's called fate. So whatever is your fate, whatever is your destiny, you can't change it, you will never be able to change it. The fakir wanted to prove that, and if you try to change your destiny, if you try to change your fate, it will have a bad effect on you, it will have a bad impact on you. This is what the fakir wanted to prove, and in order to prove, he made this paw. According to this paw, 3 people could have 3 different wishes. Okay, and only 3 people could have. So they asked Sergeant Major Morris ke bhai, are your wishes fulfilled? Did you get all your wishes that you asked for? So he says, yes, I did. And they also asked him ki the person who had the paw before you, did that person's all the wishes come true? So the Major Morris says ki first 2 wishes ka to I don't know, but his 3rd wish was death, which came true, and that is how I got the paw. So at first the White family is laughing at Sergeant Major Morris કે ભાઈ આ શું વાત કરે છે, magic ની ને spell ની ને wishes ની and all. They find it very funny. Okay, but they realize that Sergeant Major Morris is very very serious. He's not taking this as a joke at all. Okay, now let us go further in the chapter. Okay, we'll do it. If you had your 3 wishes, it is no good to you now then, Morris, said the old man at last. Why do you keep it? The soldier shook his head. Fancy, I suppose, he said slowly. I did some idea of selling it, but I don't think I will. It has caused me enough trouble already. Besides, people won't buy. They think it's just a story, some of them, and those who think anything of it want to try it at first and pay me afterwards. So the Mr. White who is there, okay, he tells Sergeant Major Morris કે your 3 wishes are fulfilled. તને તારી 3 wishes મળી ગઈ છે. So this paw is of no use to you, right? Like આ pawનો શું કામ છે તારું? So why do you still keep the paw? Why do you still have the paw? Your 3 wishes are already completed. So Sergeant Major Morris says ki see, I keep it as a fancy thing. Fancy thing એટલે શોખ માટે હું રાખું છું. Okay, and another thing is that even if I try to sell it to someone, even if I try to give it to someone, people want to try it first before paying me or before giving me money. And this paw has already caused me lot of problem. This paw has already caused me lot of trouble, and I don't want any more trouble. Okay, so Mr. White સર્જન્ટ મેજર મોરસને એમ કહે છે કે તારી તો 3 વિશેસ કમ્પ્લીટ થઈ ગઈ, તો હવે તું પોને રાખીને શું કામ છે તને, કે હવે પોને સાચવીને શું કરવા રાખ્યો છે. સો સર્જન્ટ મેજર સેઝ કે ફેન્સી માટે, અમથું શોખ માટે રાખ્યો છે. હી સેઝ કે ઇવન ઇફ આઈ ટ્રાય ટુ ગિવ ઇટ ટુ સમવન, okay, or even if I try to sell it to someone, people want to buy it, people want to try it. ઓકે, એ લોકોને ટ્રાય કરવી છે પહેલાં કે ભાઈ વિશેષ થાય છે કે નહીં, અગર થશે તો જ અમે પૈસા દેશું. સો પીપલ વોન્ટ ટુ ટ્રાય ઇટ બિફોર બાઇંગ ઇટ. એન્ડ હી સેઝ કે ઓલરેડી આ પોથી ઘણી મને તકલીફ પડી છે, ઘણા પ્રોબ્લેમ્સ મારી લાઈફમાં આવ્યા છે, મારે હજી હવે આગળ કોઈ પ્રોબ્લેમ્સ નથી જોતા. સો દેટ ઇઝ વાય આઈ એમ કીપિંગ ધ પો વિથ મી. If you could have another 3 wishes, said the old man, watching him carefully, would you have them? I don't know, said the other. I don't know. So if the Mr. White is asking Mr. White is asking Sergeant Major Morris, okay, if you get 3 extra wishes, let's say your 3 wishes are already complete, but you get 3 more wishes to ask for, will you ask for those 3 wishes? So Sergeant Major Morris says, I don't know. I really don't know if I'll ask for any more 3 wishes or not. He took the paw holding between his front finger and thumb, suddenly threw it upon the fire. Mr. White, with a slight cry before he bent down and took it off. Better let it burn, said the soldier sadly. But the way that let know him believe to be true. If you don't want it, Morris, said the other, give it to me. I won't, said his friend, with the stubborn determination. I threw it on fire. If you keep it, I won't be held responsible for what happens. Throw it in the fire like a sensible man. So what Sergeant Major Morris does is he takes the paw between his thumb and the first finger. So this is your thumb, this is your first finger. He has the paw like this. He looks at the paw. He throws the paw in fire that is burning. So Mr. White is like shocked suddenly. Why is he throwing it in the fire? So he goes and removes the paw out of the fire. Okay, he puts it off. So Sergeant Major Morris is saying ki bhai, let it burn. Let it burn, I'm telling you. So Mr. White says, look, if you don't want the paw, give the paw to me. So he says, no, I'll not give the paw to you. Let it burn in fire. Be sensible. Let it burn in fire. And even if I give the paw to you, okay, whatever happens to you after that, I am not at all responsible. Be sensible right now only and let the paw burn in fire. So શું થાય છે, સર્જન્ટ મેજર મોરસ જે છે એ પો લે છે અને પોને ફાયરમાં ફેંકે છે. એટલે મિસ્ટર વ્હાઇટ એમ કે ગભરાઈ જાય છે અને મિસ્ટર વ્હાઇટ જાય છે અને એ પો બહાર કાઢી લે છે અને એને બુઝાવી દે છે. સો સર્જન્ટ જે મિસ્ટર વ્હાઇટ છે એ એને એમ કહે છે કે ભાઈ તાને પો ન જોતો હોય તો તું ન રાખ, પણ મને દઈ દે પો, તને નથી જોતો પો, મને દઈ દે. તો ઓલો કહે છે કે જો સેન્સિબલ થા, સમજદાર થા, એને સળગવા દે આગમાં, કાઢમાં બહાર, હું તને તારા સારા હાટું કહું છું, એને સળગવા દે. એટલે ઓલો મિસ્ટર વ્હાઇટ છે ને એને એમ કહે છે કે જો તારે ન જોતો હોય પો, અગ્રીડ કે તારે નથી જોતો, મારે જોતો જ, મને લઈ લેવા દે. એટલે સર્જન્ટ મેજર મોરસ એને એમ કહે છે કે ભાઈ જો આના પછી તું પો રાખ તારે જોતો હોય તો, પણ એના પછી તારી હારે જે થાય એના માટે હું રિસ્પોન્સિબલ નથી અને હું જવાબદારી નહીં લઉં. The other shook his head and examined his possession closely. How do you do it? He asked. Hold it up your right hand. State your wish out loud so that it can be heard, said Sergeant Major Morris. But I warn you, what might happen. Sounds like Arabian Nights, said Mrs. White, and she rose up to begin to set dinner. Don't you think you want to wish for 4 pairs of hands for me? So what happens is, Mr. White is asking Sergeant Major Morris ki how do you wish for it. So Sergeant Major Morris says ki take it in your right hand, put it above your head, tara mathani upar rakh, and then you ask for the wish loudly. Whatever your wish is, ask for it very very loudly, and whatever your wish will come true. Okay. So Mrs. White says कि या तो Arabian Nights ની સ્ટોરી હોય ને એવું લાગે છે. It sounds like Arabian Nights. So Mr. White is asking Sergeant Major Morris કે ભાઈ આ કેવી રીતના કામ કરે છે. તો એટલે કે કાંઈ નહીં, હાથમાં લેવાનું, રાઈટ હેન્ડમાં ઉપર તમારા માથાની ઉપર રાખવાનું, ઓકે, અને જોશથી તમારે વિશ માંગવાની. એટલે ઓલો કહે છે ઓકે. અને મિસિસ વ્હાઇટ જે છે એ એમ કહે છે કે આ તો અરેબિયન નાઇટ્સની કોઈ મિસ્ટ્રી સ્ટોરી હોય ને એવું લાગે છે. Then Mrs. White goes to set up dinner. She's ready, making the table ready for dinner and all. And at that time she makes a joke and she says ki ask for 4 pairs of hands for me, because મારે ઘરે કેટલું કામ હોય છે તો 4 હાથ માંગો મારા માટે, એટલે હું બધાય કામ કરી શકું. our mothers also say no કે મારે ઓક્ટોપસની જેમ 8 હાથ નથી કે 6 હાથ નથી, મારી પાસે 2 જ હાથ છે. So it's a joke which Mrs. White gives, okay, કે ભાઈ મારા માટે 4 હાથ માંગ તાકી હું જલ્દી જલ્દી ફટ કામ કરી શકું. Her husband drew the talisman from his pockets and all 3 of them laughed as Surgeon Morris, with a look of the alarm on the face, caught him by the arm. If you must wish, he demanded, wish for something sensible. Mr. White dropped it back in his pocket and placing chairs noticed his friend on the table. In the business of dinner, the talisman was partly forgotten. Afterwards, the 3 sat fascinated and listened to more of soldiers' adventures in India. So all of them started laughing, all 3 of them, Mr. White, Mrs. White and Herbert. All 3 of them started laughing when the wife said ki ask for 4 hands. મારા માટે 4 હાથ માંગો. તો એના એ રિલેટેડ આખી family started laughing. But Surgeon Major Morris was still serious. He was not in a mood of joking. He was not in the mood of laughing. He takes the talisman. Talisman એટલે ઈ જાદુઈ paw. He takes it and he puts it in his pocket. Okay, Surgeon Major Morris pulls him by the hand and tells him, whatever you are wishing for, wish for something sensible. Be smart. Wish for something smart, okay? Don't be a fool. After that, they sit for dinner, they eat dinner, they don't talk about the paw. After dinner also, they are sitting by the fire and they are listening to soldiers' story about soldiers' adventure in India. And they are all listening, they have forgotten about the paw. Obviously, the paw is with Mr. White, okay? Now the paw is with Mr. White. If the tale about the monkey's paw is not more truthful than those he had been telling us, said Herbert as the door closed behind their guest, just in time to catch the last train, we shan't make much out of it. Did you give anything for it, father? Asked Mrs. White, watching her husband closely. A little, said he, coloring slightly. He didn't want it, but I made him take it, and he pressed it me again to throw it away. Not likely, said Herbert, and pretended horror. Why we are going to be rich and famous and happy, smiling, he added. Wish to be a king, father, to begin with, and mother can't complain in all the time. So they all drop their guest, okay? Surgeon Major Morris has left, and Surgeon Major Morris, before leaving, also tells Mr. White ke listen, be very very careful. This paw is not a good thing. I'm telling you, throw it away. Okay, so now the guest is gone. He comes back inside. Herbert, the son, is asking the father, okay, the wife is asking the husband, okay, did you pay anything for it? Okay, paisa te ene aipa. So he said, yes, I did pay him a little amount. He did not want money, but I still gave him money. So Herbert says, ki, father, you wish for being a king. It will be so nice, na? Wish for being a king, and mother will never be able to complain again because you will be a king, na? So they all are joking and laughing about it. कि तुम्हारे आ wish करवू जो है ना, आ wish करवू जो है ना, राजा बनिए ने, पैसा मिल जाए. तो like, if you had 3 wishes, what would you ask for? Come on, think about it today. I mean, first wish that everybody wants a expensive car and expensive house and money and everything, right? Like, what would be your 3 wishes? I really want to know. And in the message, please message in the group what would be your 3 wishes. Okay, so this is how the story is folding ahead. Let's see what happens. Okay, so the son is joking that father asked for that you should become a king, and they all are laughing. He ran quickly around the table, chased by laughing and Mrs. White, armed with the piece of cloth. Mr. White took the paw from his pocket and eyed it doubtfully. I don't know what to wish for, and that's the fact, he said slowly. It seems to me I've got all I want. If you only paid off the house, you would be quite happy, won't you? Said Herbert with his hand on his shoulder. Well, wish for 200 pounds then. That I will just do it. So what happens is that this is all fun and masti happening. So Mrs. White જે છે એ એના સનને કહે છે ઊભો રે, તું એમ કહે છો કે હું મારા ફાધરને બહુ કમ્પ્લેન કરું છું, તારા ફાધરને ઊભો રે એમ કરીને they are running around the table. They're trying to show that they are a very, very happy family. They are a very, very satisfied family, okay? So even at a point, Mr. White is saying, I don't know what I want to wish for because I have everything. Okay, Mr. White says कि મારી પાસે બધું છે, મને નથી ખબર કે હું આગળ શું wish કરું or what should I exactly wish for. So Herbert says कि you need to pay off this house. એટલે પૈસા લીધા હશે લોનમાં ઘર ખરીદવા માટે, so you asked for that money. Ask for 200 pounds. Normal amount. Okay, 200 pounds. Ask for it. Let's see what happens. Whether we get it or not get it. Okay. So we see that it's a very, very happy family. Okay. જ્યારે ઓલો હર્બર્ટ જે છે એની મમ્મીને ખીજવે છે ત્યારે એની મમ્મી હર્બર્ટની વાહે વાહે ગોળ ગોળ ટેબલ પર ફરે છે. ઊભો રે તું, આવું બોલો છો તું મારા રિલેટેડ, ઊભો રે, મસ્તી કરે છે. ઓકે. They're all laughing and joking, and the father says, I have everything I want, a happy family, money, house, everything. I'm living a comfortable life. I don't know what should I exactly wish for or what exactly should I ask for. So Herbert says you have to pay off the house. Okay, you have to pay money for the house. So do one thing, ask for 200 pounds. Let us see what happens. Let us see exactly how the story unfolds. His father, smiling with an embarrassed look for his foolishness in believing soldier's story, held up the talisman. Herbert, with a serious face, spoiled only a quick smile to his mother, sat down by the piano and struck few grand chords. I wish for 200 pounds, said old man clearly. A fine crash from the piano greeted his words and broken by a frightened cry from old man. His wife and son ran towards him. It moved, he cried, with the horror of the object that laid on the floor. As I wished, it twisted in my hand like a snake. So the father now feels stupid. Father feels कि ए soldier ने बात मानी ली थी. Am I stupid? मैंने पैसा ही आपी दीदा. Do you think I'm stupid enough to believe a soldier's story? Okay. Then he says, let us just try. So he takes the monkey's paw, puts it above his head, and he wishes for 200 pounds. He says, I want 200 pounds. The son is playing the piano at that time, and suddenly Mr. White, he has that paw in the hand. He throws the paw and he shouts. Okay, he lets out a cry. He shouts. He throws the monkey's paw on the floor after making a wish. So the son and the mother both run towards the father and ask him, what happened? Why did you cry? So the father says, it moved. The paw in my, it moved in my hand. It moved like a snake in my hand. Okay? Like him sap, એવી રીતના it moved on my hand, man. So, શું થાય છે કે હર્બર્ટની વાત માની લે છે, ઓકે, એનો ફાધર કે છે હાલો ને નામના વાસ્તે 200 pounds માંગીને જો શું થશે એનું. He puts the hand above his head and says, I really wish for 200 pounds. Okay, the son is playing the piano and the father drops the paw and he lets out a cry. Em karine he lets out a cry. So everybody asks, what happened? He says, the paw, જે paw હતો એ મારા હાથમાં હૈલો. જ્યારે મેં wish માંગી ત્યારે એ paw મારા હાથમાં હૈલો. Okay? Well, I don't see money, said his son as he picked up and placed it on the table. And I bet I never shall. So the son says कि पैसा तो न आया, बस 2000 pounds मांगा आपने, तो पैसा क्या છે? I don't see money. મને તો લાગે છે આ બધી એને મનગણત કહાની બનાવેલી છે. And I don't think I'll not be able to see the money also. The son says कि મને નથી લાગતું હું પૈસા જોઈ બી શકીશ. And it's all a false thing. It's a wrong thing. Okay? So obviously આપણે લોકો એમ કરીએ ને, જ્યારે સ્ટાર્ટિંગમાં ઓલી શાકાલાકા બૂમ બૂમ સિરિયલ આવતી હતી ત્યારે આપણે I don't know if y'all had, but when I was a child, we had this serial called Shakalaka Boom Boom. ઓકે, અને આપણે સર્કલ હોય ને બધા મહિલા કોલેજ ને ઘોઘા સર્કલ એન્ડ ઓલ ધો સર્કલમાં યુ યુઝ ટુ ગેટ ધીસ શાકલાકા બૂમ બૂમ પેન્સિલ 10-10 રૂપિયાની, હા. And we all used to believe that shakalaka boom boom pencil works. So we bought that shakalaka boom boom pencil, tried to draw car and Maggie and I don't know what all things, and we thought that our wishes, like, it will come, નીકળશે આમ પેપરમાંથી બહાર. કાંઈ નો નીકળ્યું. કાંઈ એટલે કાંઈ નહીં. 4 વાર ખરીદી મેં શાકલાકા બૂમ બૂમ પેન્સિલ, 4 અલગ અલગ જગ્યાએથી. ઓકે, so yeah, and those were expensive in my time. We didn't get it for like 10 rupees, 20 rupees. They were like pretty expensive, 50 rupees, 60 rupees pencil it was. So yeah, so that's my shakalaka boom boom pencil story. Okay, tell me also any of your crazy stories if you have. I'm really expecting an answer from y'all. Okay, first of all, if y'all had 3 wishes, which would be the 3 wishes you would ask for? Second, if you had the shakalaka boom boom pencil, so what would you exactly draw? Okay, or you have any weird story about shakalaka boom boom pencil? Like મારી પાસે weird story છે shakalaka boom boom pencil ની. So do you have any weird story about shakalaka boom boom pencil? And also, you know, like, I studied in a Catholic school, right? Like, I went to a boarding school. So, you know, over there, we used to like celebrate Christmas and all, like, with great Olu. But before, like, we used to get Christmas holidays, right? So before Christmas holidays, we had this grand celebration of Christmas. So whenever I came home and whenever like, you know, we had heard stories that Santa Claus comes and gives you the gift and all. So, you know, when I was a kid, I really thought that, you know, actually Santa Claus will come and give the gift. So, you know, I had a chotu sa, like, I had a Christmas tree at home, okay, chotu sa. So what I did is I took a full-scape size paper and I wrote down everything. Like, I wrote, first, I want a puppy. Second, I want puppy's basket. Third, I want puppy's food. So I wrote a list like that. અને પછી મને એમ થયું કે મોજાની અંદર તો ભાઈ, યુ નો, એ સાન્ટા ક્લોઝ તો નહીં નાખી શકે મારું પપ્પી ને પપ્પીનું બાસ્કેટ. એટલે આઈ ફોર્સ્ડ માય મધર ટુ ટેક આઉટ કોથળો. પહેલાં જેમાં ઘઉં નહીં આવતા ને, એ કોથળો કાઢ્યો અને એ લગાડ્યો, અને બીજા દિવસે એ કોથળો જ હતો અને મારો પેપર હતો. આઈ વોઝ હાર્ટ બ્રોકન. લીસ્ટ માય પેરેન્ટ્સ કુડ ડુ વોઝ ગેટ અ પપ્પી out of that list. Okay, but anyways, so those are my weird stories. I'm sure you also have your weird stories. I'm expecting you to share weird stories. Okay, let's go back to the chapter. Okay, so the son says, I don't think I'll ever see the money also. I must have been an imagination father, said his wife regarding him worriedly. He says that you might be imagining that the paw moved. I don't think the paw moved. You might be imagining because he, you know, સર્જન મેજર મોરસે તમને સ્ટોરી સંભળાવી એટલે તમારા મગજમાં એ ગરી ગયો હશે, તમને એમ થયું હશે paw હઈલો. I don't think the paw moved. Never mind though, there is no harm done, but it gave me a shock all of the same. So the father says, see, I never mind whether I get the gift or not, or whether I give the money or not, but that thing was very freaky. That paw was very weird. Okay. They sat by the fire while 2 men finished their pipes. Outside the wind was higher and ever. An old man jumped nervously at the sound of the door banging upstairs. An unusual depressing silence settled on all 3, which lasted until old couple got up to go to bed. I expect you will find a cash tied up in a big bag in the middle of your bed, said Herbert, as he wished them good night, and something horrible sitting on the top of your wardrobe, watching you as you pocket your ill-gotten money. So all 3 of them are now silent. Okay, they don't talk much. Herbert and the father is smoking a pipe. Pipe એટલે smoke કરવાનું, આવું pipe આવે ને એનાથી smoke કરાય. So they both are smoking that. After the smoke is over, the old couple, Mr. White and Mrs. White, they decide to go to bed and sleep. And the son jokes, okay, કે રાતના તમે જોજો તમારી ક્લોઝેટ ઉપર કોક બેઠું હશે. ક્લોઝેટ એટલે તમારા કબાટ ઉપર you will find some ભૂત sitting. Okay, so the son is joking about it. Okay, the son says, you know, રાતના અડધી રાતના જોજો તમારા કબાટ ઉપર ભૂત બેઠું હશે. And the son also says કે મોર્નિંગના પલંગની નીચે જોજો, તમને શું ખબર કોથળામાં પૈસા ભરીને આવી ગયા હોય તો. Okay, so the son is joking about it. The son is making a fun about it, saying that you will find a ghost on the cupboard. Okay, you will find money in the middle of the bed at night. So he's joking about such things. Okay. Herbert, who normally had a playful nature and didn't like to take things too seriously, sat alone in the darkness along with the dying fire. He saw faces in it. The last was so horrible and so monkey-like that he startled at its amazement. It became so clear that the nervous laugh he felt on the table for a glass containing some water to throw it. His hand found the monkey's paw, and with a little shake of his body, he wiped his hand on his coat and went to bed. So what happens is that Herbert is still awake. Okay, Herbert doesn't go to bed. He's looking at the fire, and suddenly in the fire he starts seeing certain faces. Okay, certain આપણે ઘણી વાર આગની અંદર જોઈએ તો આપણે આગની અંદર વસ્તુ દેખાય ને. So આ છે ને થોડુંક હોરર એલિમેન્ટ નાખવા માટે ઓથરે આવું લખેલું છે. ઓકે, so the Herbert sees in the fire, and Herbert is seeing faces, horrible faces, and the last face he sees is of a monkey, and it is so scary. It looks so horrible, like horror type. He takes water and throws it in the fire to let the face go, and when he's keeping the glass, his hand falls on the monkey's paw. He gets scared. He takes out his hand and he wipes it on his coat. So this is the story what we have done till now. Okay, I'll just like rewind back. Okay, Surgeon Major Morris જે છે એ હર્બર્ટને મિસ્ટર વાઇટને મંકી સ્પો આપે છે અને એમ કહે છે કે જો ભાઈ ધ્યાન અને વિચારેથી વાપરજે જે બી કરવું એ. ઓકે, અને આ જે ફેમિલી જે છે એ બહુ હસતી ખીલતી ફેમિલી છે, બહુ હેપી ફેમિલી છે. એ લોકોને એવું નથી લાગતું કે આ પો જે છે એ કોઈ બી ટાઈપનું વિશ ફૂલફિલ કરશે. ઓકે, હર્બર્ટ જે છે એ મસ્તી કરે છે અને એનો ફાધર વિચારે છે કે મારે શું વિશ કરવું જોઈએ. એટલે સન એમ કહે છે કે 200 પાઉન્ડ્સ માટે વિશ કર. લેટ્સ સી કે તને 200 પાઉન્ડ્સ મળે છે કે નથી મળતા. ઓકે, સો ધ ફાધર વિશિસ ફોર 200 પાઉન્ડ્સ. Okay, and he throws the paw on the floor. So the son and the mother asks what happened. So the father says the paw moved in my hand. Okay, there was a movement of paw in my hand. So everybody tells him, you might be imagining it, you might be thinking about it. We don't think the paw moved and all. Okay, finally the son jokes about it to the father and tells the father ke bhai you see રાતના તમારા કબાટ ઉપર એક ભૂત બેઠું હશે. અને he also says કે રાતના બેડની નીચે જોજો કદાચ 200 રૂપિયા પાઉન્ડના થેલો પડ્યો હશે નીચે and all that. Okay, the son jokes about it. The mother and the father, they both go to sleep. Okay, there is Herbert is still awake. Herbert is sitting by the fire. He's looking at the fire and he's seeing lot of horror faces in the fire. Okay, he's seeing lot of terrible faces in the fire, and he gets scared, and the last face he sees is of a monkey. He gets so scared, he takes the water that is next to him and he throws it in the fire. Okay, and when he's putting the glass back, his hand falls on the monkey's paw. He gets disgusted by it, so he wipes the hand on the coat. So so that is the story which we have done till now. Now is the thing when the story gets a little interesting. Okay, and after that, after this the story gets really interesting. So for tomorrow we'll do part 2. We have completed part 1. I will send you the file. Please read. Like, I'll send you an easier version of the file. Okay, once I finish the topic, so that it's easier for you all to like read, because our original version je છે ને એ થોડુંક difficult છે. એમાં થોડુંક English is little difficult, but I'll send both the versions once I finish the story, because otherwise you will come to know of the suspense and you all might spoil the suspense for one another and spoil the suspense for me also. So I don't want you to spoil the suspense, so that is why I'll finish the story and then I will send the story ka copy to you all. And I hope you all are seeing my videos. Okay, I am telling you again, if you all stop viewing my videos, if you stop seeing my videos, I'll simply switch on to audio notes, because I'll tell you honestly, I have work right now. I have work at 9 o'clock, so I have to leave my house by 8:45. I got up at 7 o'clock so that I could record this class between 7:30 and 8. And I'm still in my night clothes, as many of you all might have seen. You still see my hair is all unmade and unkept. The reason is because I didn't just wake up. I woke up, I had my breakfast, and first thing I did in the morning is record a lecture for Monkey's Paw for exactly 30 minutes where I have to hear my own voice blabbering. So if y'all don't watch or view my videos, I'll simply and simply stop putting it on YouTube. I'll just make an audio note and send it to you. And let me tell you, audio notes are very boring. I know that for sure. So please, okay, please view it. I'm telling you very nicely. And yeah, have a nice day.